Hello everyone, so for today we're making guacamole, and you're going to start by chopping up your red onion like this, very tiny, very small. I'm definitely going to chop it and then re-chop it. Go ahead and set that aside for now. And continue by chopping your tomatoes, again very small. You can also set that aside too. And chop up your cilantro. I love cilantro, so I don't mind the amount, but if you don't like cilantro that much, definitely just go with about a quarter bunch. I did a whole bunch here. Now you're going to move on to your avocados. You're going to want to have 2 avocados and cut them in half. And when you take your pit out, definitely don't throw it out. We will be adding those to our guacamole later. Using a bigger bowl, you're going to want to take all the avocado out of its skin, as such. And I do believe using a spoon works better. And once you're ready, start mashing your avocados. You can use a fork or you can use what I used, whichever works. Okay, go ahead and add your cilantro, your red onions, and your tomatoes. Continue by cutting your limes in half and juicing them. Go ahead and throw that lime juice right onto your guacamole. I added some pepper and some garlic salt. And you can go ahead and mix all that together. So I found a fun fact. In 2013, a group of 450 students in Mexico prepared a serving of guacamole that weighed 5,885.24 pounds. That's almost 3 tons of guacamole. That's a lot. Once I mixed it, I did go back and add a little bit of salt. And just a little bit of more lime juice. That's up to you how much lime juice you want to add. I went ahead and I mixed it just a little bit more. And that's when I threw the pits in. Here are some awesome pictures of my work, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.